Hi, I'm Cynthia, and today I'm going to guide you through a 10-minute bedtime yoga practice for better sleep. Let's get started, and you can even do this in bed. So, sitting comfortably on your mat or on your bed, we'll begin by coming into a little gentle forward bend. It's important to just relax your head and neck and release your shoulders as well. So softening, relaxing the full length of your arms, your torso, your hips, softening your legs. And if you feel comfortable, you can walk your feet a little bit further forward. And remember to continue to relax your head and neck. Your shoulders and your arms soften. Your torso softens. The full length of your legs release. And if you feel like you can go a little bit further, bring your legs to straight. This will be the biggest stretch. And then from here, softening your head and neck completely. Relax the full length of your arms. Your spine and your torso soften. Your hips relax and the full length of your legs release. Take 3 breaths here, softening your ankles and your feet. And then from here, lifting all the way up, bringing your hands behind you, engage your abdominals and lift your chest, opening up the front of your shoulders and bringing your head back. Draw your jaw closed, which will lengthen the front of your neck, relieving stress. And then coming back to center, crossing your legs. Allow your right hand to come down to the floor. Your left arm draws over, compressing the right side. And then switching sides, letting the left side of your torso get a little compressed and your right side open. And then lifting both arms up, interlace your fingers, palms press up, releasing our wrists and any tension that we might have in our hands. And coming back to center. We'll release our hands by wiggling. It's almost like you're unscrewing a light bulb. Just releasing your wrists and the full length of your lower arms. And coming back to center. From here, coming over onto your knees. Bring the top of your head to the floor. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Come onto the top of your head. Tuck your toes under. Slide your thumb knuckles up your back and then lengthen your arms. Nice deep breaths. Take one more breath here. And releasing your hands to your hips, tops of your feet to the floor. Bring your hands beside your ankles and rest in child's pose. Softening your shoulders. And let your exhales become long and deep. And then from here, bring your hands underneath your shoulders, lifting up and bringing your hips down and ease all the way back. So from here, I want you to bring your, that was funny, your left leg forward, right hip back, and we'll come into a twist. Twists are so amazing for your digestion and to get a little bit of strength and length for your torso. And as you release any tension, this will really help you to get a good night's sleep so that you are able to wake up refreshed. So coming into a twist on the other side. Nice deep breaths. And return to center. Come down onto your back and come into happy baby, bringing your hands to your feet and just releasing here for a couple of breaths. If you can't get your hands to your feet, you might be at your ankles or your thighs. Everywhere that you decide that you are going to be is perfectly great for this evening. And then draw your right thigh down to the floor and start to lengthen your left leg. And then switch sides, drawing your left thigh down to the floor and begin to straighten your right leg, releasing tension in your hips. It makes sleep so much easier. We're going to switch sides a couple of more times. This also helps you to relieve stress in your lower back, and that's always a lovely thing. Last time on the right. And then on the left. Let's come back. See how you feel in happy baby now. And release. Crossing your right foot right over thigh to thigh, easing over to the left. Looking over your right shoulder. Softening here. The more that we can release tension before we sleep, the easier it is for us to get a great night's sleep. And then lift and switch sides. Easing over to the right, looking to the left if you feel comfortable. And coming back up to center, releasing your left foot down. Just notice how you feel here. Take a couple of breaths. And then if you wish, you can complete right here lying down. And for those of you that might have a few more things to do before you sleep, we'll come back to sitting. Bringing your thumb together with your fourth finger. This is a mudra of grounding. It's very beneficial before you go to bed. Thank you so much for your practice. And we'll have a couple of more videos up for you on the screen in a second, and a pinned comment, a little goodies for you there, and feel free to subscribe. I'd love to hear what you thought about the practice. See you on the mat tomorrow. Namaste.